Welcome back to Adult Basic Skills. My name is Jada and I'm here to teach you how to break out of your comfort zone by becoming an adult skater. This video will be going over level 4 in the Adult Basic Skills curriculum. Forward outside edges. First, gain some speed with half swizzles or your favorite way of going forward, then glide onto your inside foot riding on the outside edge. For some reason, I'm stuck in skating away from the circle land, but normally you want to have your arms hugging the circle in front of you. This is the natural progression from forward 1-foot glides in Adult 2. For this level, the expectation is that you can hold it for about 3 seconds, so don't worry if you can't hold it as long as I'm doing in this video. Forward inside edge. For this, we're going to do the exact same thing we did for outside, except this time we're going to lift up our inside foot in order to ride on the outside foot's inside edge. Again, you're going to hold your arms to hug the circle, making sure that your head is facing the center of the circle as you go around. Again, I'm stuck in facing away from the circle land, but you are not expected to skate away from the circle at this level. Forward crossovers. If I'm skating counterclockwise, my first push is onto the left outside edge, then picking up my right foot, placing it next to the left foot on the outside. At the same time, I am pushing my left foot using the inside edge under my right foot. Remember that crossovers have 2 pushes. Eventually, you want to be able to link each push together so that you're having constant 1, 2, 1, 2, over, under, over, under. These are arguably the most important skill that you will learn in your career as a figure skater. And before anybody comes at me for my crossovers, this is a beginner's video. I am showcasing what it looks like as a beginner to pull this off successfully, not as a silver level skater. Backward half swizzle pumps. These honestly aren't that much different from the forward half swizzle pumps, except for the fact that you're going backwards, so obviously the same rules apply, but backwards. So you're going to lean into the circle, arms hugging the circle, and just pump. Check level 3 if you really need an explainer. Backward 1-foot glide. This honestly doesn't need much introduction. You gain some speed, you lift a foot up, and you go backwards. We've skated backwards at this point. We've done 1-foot glides. This is the same thing. Seriously, you don't need me to explain this one. And hockey stop. I'm gonna be real, I am not the person to tell you how to do a hockey stop. I only learned how to do a hockey stop by accident many years into skating, so I'm good. And that's the end. Thanks for watching.